الأزياء الرياضية صارت من الترندز الأساسية اللي دائما موجودة على الرانويز لأنها تضيف ثقة وحيوية لطلة المرأة، وهذا اللي حبت تأكد عليه علامة بوما.
Is also a campaign that aims to tell women around the world to have confidence in themselves, their bodies, in what they stand for, in their abilities. Too many times women have been told to keep quiet, stand in the corner. This is about speaking out and coming out, really owning yourself. And the campaign is fronted and headlined by Cara Delevingne. She's our global ambassador we've launched her with this, with Do You. And she's been chosen because she's not only a really famous model and actress and a beautiful woman, but she's also an activist, and she speaks very strongly and she's very involved in women's rights globally, and so she's a perfect fit for this campaign. She looks amazing. You'll see the images. So overall. Taken a very strong stance to be very focused on women, and every season our collection gets better and better. So this particular campaign was directed by Rihanna. As you can tell, she's had a great influence on our products. So it's monochromatic with lots of metallic accents, great shapes, fits. So you'll have a lot of tight tops paired with loose, flowy bottoms, or vice versa. So it's really bringing structure, but also contrast and colors to the female silhouette for us. The women's collection for Puma is for the woman who goes to work, goes to the gym, goes out with her friends, and she can literally probably wear the same clothes to all the places, because we don't believe that you need one outfit for one event. You should be able to wear what you're wearing all day long to wherever you're going. So it's comfort that meets style and fashion as well. We've got the Best Women's campaign launching in February, so we've got SS17 to look forward to. And like I said, the women's focus is always going to be a big one for us. So you can expect more great collections from Rihanna, more campaigns featuring Kylie Jenner and Cara Delevingne. And the Do You campaign is going to continue all through next year. So it's really about empowering women worldwide. Take ownership of yourself, be confident. There's no reason why we have anything to be ashamed of or to be hiding in the corner. If you look around, there are more women here than men, and they're all, heading up their departments or working really professionally. So I think it's just about having confidence in our abilities. We're amazing.